This is the 1995-96 Craftsman Collector Tool card number 17, featuring the Reciprocating Saw Blades. Craftsman released this limited set in the mid-90s as a unique way to promote their tools, taking cues from trading cards popular in sports and pop culture at the time. It's not a sports card, but it's a neat slice of collectible history that shows how far the trading card craze reached. Another unique find from the trading card cache, where collectibles come in all shapes, sizes, and sometimes power tools.